Okay, so hey guys, I'm sorry, I'm dirt cheap. I don't have anything. Okay, so anyway, today we're going to lyric prank someone again because that's like the smartest idea I have for at the moment. Okay, so the aftermath of the last prank, they tried to lyric prank me with the same song, and it was amazing. So anyone who sees this video, go buddy. I forgot their name. My gosh. Go buddy Perry 566. They're like the best person ever. Okay. What is this person's name? I live for it. Musically Mad. I'm sorry, I love their name. Okay, let's buddy Dragonheart. Animal Jam Lover 350. Oh my gosh. No one likes me. No one likes my buddies. My buddy request. How about Mustache? Oh, no one accepts me. I'm afraid I might have to. Okay. My plan is to go to their den. Okay. What song? Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought that was actually like their arm, but it still looks amazing. Again, wait. Oh, okay. No. Okay. 7 years old. This probably won't work because they're like a beta person. I live for them. Oh my gosh, this isn't gonna work. They're like serious and I'm not. No offense if they watch my videos. They probably won't because I'm not popular. This person isn't there to know, but you guys should really go buddy Musically Mad. I gotta go now. Oh, no. No, I don't have an ocean animal, don't judge me. Is there a message in a bottle today? I highly doubt it. Unless I can't see it. But they would make it where every gymmer could see it, so no, they don't have an. So yeah, this video was a fail. I'm gonna go to the dinner party. Oh, I'm sorry. No. They won't love me. I'm sorry. I'm kind of new to video making. I've watched YouTube for like ever since I was born. I was a fetus. But and also my parents are sleeping. I don't want to make them be awake. Cause like they'd be extremely mad at me. They'd be like, "Oh my god, no, you woke me up." But no, they're not that mean. But yeah. Why do I have cake? I could get diabetes from cake. No offense to any cake eaters. Anyway, this isn't really a layer pranking video anymore, I guess. But, I guess I could just, I don't know. I'm gonna sit on my beautiful couch and talk about life. Okay, so, I wish you all a Merry Christmas or Happy Jamalidays, because Jamalidays are amazing. And to finish this video, let's just like look at some like amazing art. Oh my gosh, this is like all really good. Like, oh my gosh. That felt terrible. Oh my gosh, I live for it. Okay, so, if you want to send me gifts, you can. Like, I'm a tiny YouTuber, so, like, no one will, like, see this, but, like, if you want to send me gifts, you can. I will personally buddy you and give you an autograph, even though I'm not a big YouTuber. I will buddy you, and I'll give you an autograph, even though I'm not famous. What else? And I will be doing mail time once I get enough gifts, I guess. So, yeah. I was gonna end this, but whatever. Okay, so yeah. So, I'm Spirals AJ. You should subscribe for more content, because why not? So, yeah, this is Spirals AJ signing out.